By thinking and acting affirmatively, in this minute, you will influence the hour, the day, and in time, your life. A quote from Zig Ziglar. He was an American author, salesman, and motivational speaker. Many folks who were in business have studied his material. I'm one of them. If you're in sales, you own a business. Hey, how about this content creation journey we're on? The thing that we all have in common is we have this minute to take action or not to take action. Our lives are crafted in seemingly insignificant actions and sometimes lack of them. That's on a minute by minute basis. Those minutes add up to hours, days, weeks, years, our entire life. What if each day you had $1,440 to invest? That it couldn't be invested, that which you couldn't invest, you couldn't save it, you couldn't reuse it. At the end of the day, it would simply be gone. Every day, every minute, you're making a decision about how and where you're going to invest that dollar. Here's the question: how careful would you be in making those decisions? How thoughtful would you be in taking action to make sure you make an investment? You see, we each have exactly 1,440 minutes every day, and those are minutes for us to invest. When the minute passes, it's gone. There is no recovery, no saving, no do-over. We simply lost the time to invest that minute. As you decide what actions to take today, how about this? Let's decide based on the knowledge that this very minute is an investment. And it's not free. It's the most expensive resource available, and it's not renewable. I encourage you, invest each minute with intention, with purpose, and with a positive attitude. Over time, you will craft your life. You craft the life that you desire because each minute is used wisely. It's invested. Thanks for tuning in to Monday Motivation. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and oh yeah, share it on social media. And I'll see you in the next video.